This cloud not look like a baby, like a face right here. I swear it looks like a baby face, almost like the lips right here, the eye right here, forehead, the head, and then here like crawling. And here's the hand, like say baby crawling almost. Wait. Oh, it's changing already. It looks different already. I got a good picture of it though. Wow. In the world. It looks like the Sphinx body almost, like the hand, the body, and then this one looks like the butt, and like the leg, and then the head up here. It looks like this one with the tongue out right there. That looks like almost like a Grinch face right there, I swear. I don't know. That's what my imagination sees anyways. I see a snail right there. See like the little things, like a little snail. Or a big snail, I should say. It gets so close. I gotta try to change this because it's like I can't like zoom back on this. I don't know if there's a way to change that in the settings or what. Let me see here. I know it's gonna cut me off here in a second because I don't have that much space on my phone. Huh. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. We're not focused. Oh my gosh. Look. It looks like an eye. Wait, I can't. An eye, a mouth smiling, and then a waving, a hand, like a waving, hand waving over, and then there's like the body. I swear, I just be looking at the clouds, and I can't help what I see. Like with my, like that's just how the way my mind works. I look at things, and they just, I don't know. I see things other people can't see. I won't focus. Look at these clouds. They just look so odd to me. I don't know. They just look so fluffy. I don't know. And so detailed, like so alive. If you think about it, water holds memory.